Okay, I'm going to do a simple probe routine here. You hear the fans in the back. I'm going to go edit 3 times on that program conversational. We're going to do a Y probe, which is, I believe, this guy. All right, we're going to use G54. Hit that. And with approximately 2 inches, we're going to add that to MDI page. Cycle start, boom, down here. And then over here. Okay, now on my offsets, I'm going to go ahead and just show you that the tool measure or tool offset thing is working. So I have a routine in the MDI, which is a G200. I'm going to measure tool number 2. Boom. And it's going to set that little offset on that guy right there. There you go. And we'll do tool number 3 just for the fun of it. And come over here to tool 3. G200 is just an alias I do for tool measurement. You'll see the routine kind of goes through all that. Hit the offset, you can see it pop in. And populate. And life is good. Okay, for our next video, this is a running the spindle real quick here. You see what's going on. 10,000 RPM spindle. It's running. And hit the stop button here. Reverse it. And there it is again. So we're good to go there. A couple things we've done with this machine. We have put a nice little upgrade right here. That's the bang your head push button. If you accidentally bang your head right here, the tool likes to drop, which is no fun. Breaks your tool. Anyways, we just put this little silver button around it so that if you bang your head, you don't release the tool. See there? Anyways, push the button. Works like a champ. Anyways, we go a couple things here. When we were into that, we actually replaced the coolant hose that goes up into the top of the head here that runs through this. It's really rude when those things get old and crusty and they break on you. We replaced that, it's all fresh up there. When we did that, we actually changed the encoder belt. There's a spare one right there. Anyways, everything's looking pretty good there. We'll come around the machine on this way. Have our little coolant, so that's the coolant line that we've had right up through here. That's kind of a new one. We actually put a different cover on it as well, so it wouldn't puncture with the chips or anything. Your coolant washdown hose is right here. Typically we send it through the machine up in this little hole right there, but for right now we leave it back here. Let me think here, what am I leaving out? Your oil separator there, coolant pump there. We are full of coolant. Well, I wouldn't call it full of coolant. It's running a little low right now. Chip auger is in there. Well, you can't see it there. Here, I'll run that real quick. Chip forward. You'll see the little chip auger down there, I think. Well, maybe not. You can hear it. There it is. There you go. Anyways, your umbrella thing or umbrella tool holder is it's got all the covers for the tools. They're all there. Super cleaned everything up, lubed it up. It's this thing's in pretty decent shape. So let me think here. That's all I can think of right now. Come back over on this side, take a look at it. That's where the coolant hoses come up through. And right up through the head, and down through there. Anyways, Vector number 2 for your oil. Pretty standard stuff.